Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can save an image as PDF in Photoshop. So firstly open up your Photoshop, and the first thing that you have to keep in mind is if you're working on a multi-layer project, what you have to do is just simply flatten them first just by selecting all the layers, then right click, then flatten image, then click on the add image, then go to file up here, then go to the save as option, and from the save as type choose PDF. Choose PDF, give it a name, choose a location, then just simply press save. Now you will get another pop-up window, and in that window what you have to do is in the Adobe preset you have to choose press quality, then in the compatibility you have to choose Acrobat 9/10 and enable all the settings that you can over here, because by doing so the PDF can be opened in any version of PDF. So after doing all the settings in general, go to compression, and in the options choose the first drop down box and choose bicubic downsampling, which is a better compression than the regular one, and in the compression choose zip, then go to output, and in the conversion description choose no conversion, and in the policy just keep it don't include profile, and after that just simply press save PDF, and again you will receive a pop-up window. Just simply press yes, and within a few seconds it will be saved. So if you go back and see, your image has been saved as a PDF. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.